Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I have this wonderful box from Joann. So I am so excited for this unboxing. I did purchase this from the Joann website from the USA. Canada does not have Joann's. So definitely if you are looking to purchase anything from Joann, it is possible now. Shipping is, for this big box, it was, I believe, $15 US, but definitely look for sales. Joann always has like double, like you can pile on sales. So say if something's on clearance or on sale, you can still use a coupon at the end for an additional discount. So I was able to do that when they were having the items that I purchased from the Happy Planner fall release. I was able to purchase them on sale on top of using a coupon, and this took forever. So this package seemed like it was just kind of lost in transit, and I didn't really complain or send them any notifications to find out where my package was, because I had already seen that a lot of people had said that because they use like a third party sort of courier, by the time it gets to, I think, Pure later, it takes a while. So definitely if you're waiting for your item, be patient, because this took nearly a month to arrive to me. The box is in decent enough condition, so I'm hoping everything inside is packaged well. And yeah, so definitely stick around because I'm going to show you what I purchased. Okay, let's see what's inside of here. Hopefully my order's correct. So another thing to note is that they actually, they realized that they were taking forever for it to be delivered, because they will get a notification once it's delivered, because I believe it's tracked. Well, no, it is tracked. So I do know that. So they actually, funny enough, sent me a coupon to rectify the situation, which was funny. They sent me a coupon maybe a week ago saying that I had a 20% off coupon because of the delay. So I like that, you know what, that they are new to shipping to Canada. So there is going to be this learning curve to shipping. And also that they were willing to see that, you know, if a package hadn't reached in a few weeks, that, you know, let's try to fix this before, you know, we get a notification or email saying that, hey, where's my stuff? So that was really nice of them. So the fall release, some of it has started to come to Joann's in-store, which it normally does first. And this is what I got. It is from the Spoonful of Faith line. So I am going to start with this sticker book, because this is what I'm really excited about. And I'm going to bring you guys in a little closer. Okay, so this is for the big size, and this is a Spoonful of Faith by Jenna Holiday, and then that is her at the back. And the stickers, from what I could see on the website, were really pretty, so let's take a look. So as you can see, it is big boxes, which I love because I am working in a big size. So I like that I was able to get a big sticker book, because anytime they release any big sticker books, I tend to buy them, because if you are familiar with Happy Planner, definitely you don't get a lot of big sticker books being released. I don't even think, even though most of their teacher books are big, their stickers are not even big size, which is weird. But yeah, so here you get lots of boxes, and I love the illustrations. It's so pretty. And this is just like a jotted down and reflect, best friends. So they are very kind of neutral stickers, you know, very boho kind of theme, which I love. Very airy. It's a beautiful sticker book. So I love that it has, like, you know, all the planting and all that stuff. And it's kind of like this grounded sort of, you know, plant yourself where you're grounded kind of theme, you know. But it's beautiful. And I love the color scheme. It's all very neutral colors, very muted. Because if you do, no, Happy Planner tends to come out with very kind of colorful sticker books. So I like that they're doing all these other side collaborations with other artists, you know, to bring a different spin to kind of Happy Planner and making it very inclusive, which I love. So that is the big version. Beautiful sticker book. And then I ended up getting the mini. So I don't know if this was repeating, if it's just mini size, but I will. So it looks like some of them, like the illustrations, are going to be very similar. But then you do get like small boxes like this, like shopping. And I like that they do that because they realize that probably most people will have their mini for on the go. So it will have like appointment boxes. So it is a little different. Errands, appointments, and to-dos. And I love the little boxes. This is great. So I do have a pocket planner. I'm actually not using a mini Happy Planner right now, but these are the perfect size for my pocket A7. And I am in a mo term. I always wonder why they always do that. Like they put like such big stickers like this to fit in a mini, which I don't know. They should shrink them down. If that would be my only suggestion. That even flowers like this, like to shrink them down. But definitely, you know, a lot of beautiful stickers in here. And great for your mini. Like these boxes to me are a little big. So definitely be mindful that not all the stickers in a mini. So you can use this in classic size. So say if you have a classic and a mini and you want to, you know, buy something from this line, then I would suggest probably going with the mini. I was unable to see on their website their classic size. And that's okay because, as I said, I can use the big or the mini in the classic. So just errands, to-dos. I love this because these are always great. Birthdays, shopping, reminders. And then you have some clear stickers back here. Very pretty. And then some letters here. And this is similar to the big size. So yeah. So that is it. So the next thing that I got from that line is some filler paper. So I love filler paper. Let me zoom back out. This is just some top priorities and today's, and you have 1, 2, 3, and don't forget. So I love that is this beautiful sort of pinky mauve kind of color. And then at the back it has some dot grid and just some boxes for some assignments or, you know, things that maybe you want like to like projects you're working on. So I love that. So it's a great little, you know, filler paper, and you get 40 sheets in here. So the next thing I got was an extension pack. So I haven't quite decided. I don't need this dashboard right now. What I'm thinking to do is to carry this over into 2023. Yes, I said 2023. I'm thinking that far ahead, right? But I would love that this was an extension pack, but I wanted to be able to know that if I wanted to switch it up, I could do that, and just use maybe the dashboards, because I actually have I have this already for, which I think I might do. Maybe I'll use the dashboards. We'll see. But it is undated, so you would have to put your stickers on there. It comes with the sticker sheet back here for you to put your months. So I haven't debated if I'm going to start using it this year or next year, but or the following year, I should say. And then you get 6 months. No, I lied. You get 4. You only get 4 months in here, which normally I thought their extensions packs carried 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's weird. Am I missing one? Huh. Let's see. So this is what the extension pack looks like. So you have this first month here, and then you have this one, 2. Maybe I'm missing one, guys. 3. And then you have 4 here. Yeah, so this one only has 4 months. So if you are looking to kind of have it for half of the year, then this extension pack, let me see something at the back. So you're supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4, that's right. So you have 4 of the calendars, and then at the back you have, it looks like, I think some stickers for you to date it, which is great. And then you get this beautiful folder as well. So maybe when I'm setting up my my planner for next year, I will use maybe parts of this. We will see. So the next thing that I got, which, you know what, actually I will probably mix this with part of my dashboard. You know what, that is for a later video. So just don't mind my brain's working right now. So here is the last, but my favorite part of this haul. Like, how gorgeous is this cover? Sorry, the ring light is casting a glare, but it's such a beautiful planner. So I do have already a dashboard, which is the Beauty and Florals, which is a neutral planner. I have that one already for 2022. So I picked up this dashboard because I'm going to be honest with you, from the fall release, I really didn't see anything that I love. So I am just going to cut this off because I would like to share it with you guys and see what it looks like up close and personal. So this is your 2022 lined vertical. So I have not used a lined vertical in Happy Planner other than a mini last year, which I will not suggest buying a lined vertical in a mini size because you already are very limited in your space. But I thought this would be the perfect home planner for next year. So I picked this one up. I am a lister, so if you are the type of person that likes to create lists, then I would suggest a lined vertical. So let's start. So you have your calendar here for the year, and I've never actually bought a 2022. This will be my first as well. So look at that. It's my first lined vertical, and it is also my first just 1 year planner, because normally I will buy an 18-month planner because the 12 months have not really caught my eye. So I love this. So it is neutral. I find Happy Planner, they've heard us say a million times, we want neutral planners. And did I show you the front cover? There it is. Speak good things to yourself. And then it has the beautiful girls that are on the cover for February. And then this one just says, just keep growing. Then you have some of the florals that they have in the sticker books. And then let's root for each other and watch each other grow. Just keep trying. I love this beautiful, and this is going to go great with my Beauty and Florals because it has this kind of floral theme. And then you can do Brave Things for August. And then another sticker that is in this that was in the sticker book that I showed. And then Make Beautiful Things. And then this one is for my birthday month. Plant, dream, and grow a happy life. Like, how pretty is that? And then you have all the girls at the end for December, which I love that this is not really themed. Like, I don't like a Christmas and, you know, because I don't necessarily, in December, I may not even really use a lot of winter stickers. I still may want to use florals. So I love that it's, you know, very neutral. And let's look at the cover. So you know what? You could actually, I see a lot of people flip the covers around. So if you wanted to take, say, this and use this as your front cover, if you didn't like the girls, and then put this one at the back, you could do that. And then it looks like they're at the back as well. So that is the planner for 2022. This is from their fall release. It is a gorgeous planner, as you can see, and I love that it is in this black and gray and very neutral. So if I wanted to next year mix this with maybe this dashboard, because I wanted to get the dashboard, but then I thought, we'll see. So I might use this in Frankenplan, but you guys will see that obviously lineup coming by the end of the year, going into the next year for 2022. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul from Happy Planner and their from Joann's, their website, And this is from the Happy Planner. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on your notification, and then I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.